Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are doing good and safe in this pandemic situation. And today, this is my first video after moving to USA, and it's been already 4 months here. And we reside at Los Angeles City, California state, and the climate over here is pretty good, similar as Hyderabad. And one more thing I want to say, the Universal Studio in Hollywood is very near to our area, at a 10 to 15 minutes drive from here. And recently we went to Universal Studio also, and we had a pretty good experience over there and viewed all Hollywood movie sets, and we went to some rides, etc. And today I'm going to show you my first toolkit I have purchased in USA. That is Black & Decker toolkit for home purpose. This I have purchased from Amazon around $74. And this would be around 5,600 rupees in Indian currency. This is my toolkit. This is a pretty good toolkit, having all required tools here for home repairs and renovation purpose. Here you can see. So today I'm going to unbox this and show you the purpose of all tools that I've got here. So here you can see whatever the tools are given in this kit, and this is the model number, that is LDX 120TK model. And with this toolbox I am getting a bag also, so I can store all the tools in the box. So in India I have many tools, but in USA this is my first tools I've purchased. It's been already 4 months here. All these 4 months I missed my tools very much from India. I think you can see my previous tools and workshop in my previous videos. So let's start unboxing and show you what I've got in this toolkit. Let's move. So first of all, let me show you the contents of the box. Here, first we are going to get a drill. This is a cordless and 24 volts lithium-ion battery. This is a pretty good brand, Black & Decker, and I have a warranty of 5 years on this. Next we'll be getting a lithium-ion battery along with the charger. And previously I've told that we'll be getting a bag here. This is a storage bag. Next, a measuring tape. Next, an adjustable wrench, nose plier, utility knife, and slip joint plier or a normal plier with adjustable tongs. Next, a claw hammer. Next, a ratcheting screwdriver. Here we can insert all varieties of screws of 1/4 inch head. Next, a Phillips hand screwdriver. Next, flat head. So this is a +1 and this is a -1 screwdriver, and these are the socket drivers or nut drivers. And this here for holding magnetic bits in this one. So here all varieties of screwdriver bits and HSS drill bits starting from 1 mm to 0.6 mm diameter of the drills, and these are the auger bits or spade bits. Next, hole saw. So here these are the tools that we are going to get from this box. Let's start unboxing, and this is a 68-piece project kit, toolkit. We have other models also, but these is very good for home purpose, renovations and other things. So for that purpose I have ordered this toolkit. We have combo offer for this toolkit also. We have a circular saw also, but I didn't purchase that because that is not much required for me at this position, because we stay at rented house and I don't have much place here. But this would be a pretty good small compact toolkits. So first of all, I'll be showing you the drill cordless. We have a light also here. This is for forward and this for reverse. This is forward. For reverse. This setting is for drilling and this for screwdriving. And here we can adjust the torque. Means if you are drilling at light wood or any of the light materials, we can use a less torque adjustment. So whenever the screw gets tight, it automatically stops. If you're going for a hardwood, then you can go for 10 torque clutch. It is very little bit hard. So this is your adjustment for the screwdrivings, and this is for the drill. It is a two purpose. For cordless drills, we have another model of high ends that we can adjust speed also here, and we can do hammers also. Hammering drill means that we can drill concrete also. But this drill is sufficient for my purpose, so I have purchased this one. This is the battery. Let me show you the bag. This is the bag I'm getting. This is the warranty and manual instruction for the drill. These are the battery specifications and what are the other models available in this range. So this is the manual, only in English. Okay, let me keep that aside. I'll show you the charger also. This is the charger. This is a US pen, right? And this works at 110 volts. In India, we'll be getting a 240 volts charger for that. This is 110, right? And this is a pretty good bag. We can keep all these tools inside this. And next we have two screwdrivers. This is flathead and this is plus. This is minus and this one plus. And we have a measuring tape of 10 feet or 3 meters. And we have a special arrangement for locking the tape. Here from this we can lock actually. But with this tape, we have a provision of locking here also with this. If you hold this, it will lock. And at the bottom also with this finger, when you're doing, when you're measuring with the holding like this, you can use this. So tape won't retract in. Okay, this is a pretty good mechanism for this tape at this price range. These are the sockets for nuts, socket wrenches. Having size from half inch to 3/16 of inch. 3/16 of inch to half inch. So directly we can insert these in drills and we can use, or we can loose or open any of the nuts. And next, these are the screwdriver bits I'm going to get from this kit. So here we have a magnetic bit holder also. So we can insert any of the bits in this one for quick changing purpose. So no need of placing the bit in the chuck. If we use this one, we can quickly change any of the bits. This one, or even we can place this one also in this. Simply changing. Here we have a magnet that will attract this one and this won't get fall out. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 bits. Next, this is hole saw. So here, this is the holder. So we have wide varieties of diameters also here. We have 4 auger hole saw bits, starting from 1/4 inch to, means 1/4 inch to 1/8 of the inch. So here we can drill, we can work on any of the hardboard, softwood, or cardboard, or any of the artificial wood or normal plastic also. Here we can drill and we can make this of holes. Next, I'm getting a claw hammer. Pretty heavy claw hammer with a rubber grip handle, and this is a metal pipe, it's not a wooden one. So don't worry that it will break when we claw off the nails. Okay, and okay, this is pretty heavy, so we can drive maximum nails and work for general purpose at home. Okay, and next, this is a plier, adjustable neck. So if you are holding small things, you can adjust at this range, at this here, and if you want a bigger object that to be hold, so here just we can adjust with this hole. So the mouth opening here is widened. Okay, this is the adjustable plier. Next, this is an adjustable wrench. Here we have the dimensions also. Here you can see from 0 to 25, 20 means up to 20 mm size of the bolts we can open. From 0 to 20 mm size of the bolts we can open, or nuts. Next, we have a utility knife. And here we have an HSS drills. From this drills we can drill wood and steel, plastic, and these drills are not meant for wall or concrete. This is meant for wood and metal and plastic. Okay, have drills from 1/16 of the inch to 1/4 of the inch, means this would be around 1 mm to 6.35 mm. Next, I have a nose plier here, and here we have a cutting edge also. If you want to cut the wires, even you can cut from this position. And this is a ratchet screwdriver. So here at this end we can insert all varieties of bits, all these bits. Let me show you. And here we have a mechanism of ratchet. So if we want to rotate in right side direction, then you have to do like this. We have to adjust this knob for the front position. So we can turn right and it's automatically shift. If you want to go for left, means if you want to open the screws, then we have to change this position to the back. So it rotates right, but it won't rotate to the left side. This for unscrewing and this for screwing. And here we have an auger bits or spade bits also for drilling bigger holes in wood. So this is all what I got in this kit. And coming to battery, this is the 2 milliamps hour battery, 2 amp battery. And all these tools have rubber handles, which is pretty good for handling. And in the next video, I'll show you the working of all these tools. Okay, thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel.